मलाई उहाँका गीतहरू मन पर्छ। I like his songs. मलाई उहाँका गीतहरू मन पर्छ। I like his songs. हामीले उसलाई बजारमा देख्यौं। We saw him in the market. हामीले उसलाई बजारमा देख्यौं। We saw him in the market. उहाँ आफ्नो घरमा हुनुहुन्छ। He is at his home. उहाँ आफ्नो घरमा हुनुहुन्छ। He is at his home. मैले यो गर्न सकिन। I could not do it. मैले यो गर्न सकिन। I could not do it. उसले आफ्नो मोबाइल हरायो। He lost his mobile. उसले आफ्नो मोबाइल हरायो। He lost his mobile. तिनीहरू अंग्रेजी बोल्न सक्छन्। They can speak English. तिनीहरू अंग्रेजी बोल्न सक्छन्। They can speak English. ऊ मेरो बारेमा कुरा गर्दैछ। He is talking about me. ऊ मेरो बारेमा कुरा गर्दैछ। He is talking about me. उसको बारेमा कुरा नगर्नुहोस्। Don't talk about him. उसको बारेमा कुरा नगर्नुहोस्। Don't talk about him. उहाँ 3 दिनभित्र आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ। He is coming within 3 days. उहाँ 3 दिनभित्र आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ। He is coming within 3 days. ऊ पहिले नै गइसकेको थियो। He had already gone. ऊ पहिले नै गइसकेको थियो। He had already gone. उसले आफ्नो घर बनायो। He built his house. उसले आफ्नो घर बनायो। He built his house. त्यति बेला म घरमै थिएँ। I was at home then. त्यति बेला म घरमै थिएँ। I was at home then. यो एउटा राम्रो बहाना हो। This is a good excuse. यो एउटा राम्रो बहाना हो। This is a good excuse. के म तिमीसँग बस्न सक्छु? May I sit with you? के म तिमीसँग बस्न सक्छु? May I sit with you? म अब यो सहन सक्दिन। I can't tolerate it anymore. म अब यो सहन सक्दिन। I can't tolerate it anymore. म यसमा संलग्न छैन। I am not involved in this. म यसमा संलग्न छैन। I am not involved in this. तपाई कोसँग कुरा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? Whom are you talking to? तपाई कोसँग कुरा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? Whom are you talking to? बेकारको कुरा नगर। Don't talk nonsense. बेकारको कुरा नगर। Don't talk nonsense. तपाई आज के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you doing today? तपाई आज के गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you doing today? मेरो कपाल झर्दैछ। My hair is falling out. मेरो कपाल झर्दैछ। My hair is falling out. उहाँलाई आउन दिनुहोस्। Let him come. उहाँलाई आउन दिनुहोस्। Let him come. तपाई के लुकाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you hiding? तपाई के लुकाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you hiding? मलाई त्यो कलम दिनुहोस्। Give me that pen. मलाई त्यो कलम दिनुहोस्। Give me that pen. तिमीले मलाई के भन्यौ? What did you say to me? तिमीले मलाई के भन्यौ? What did you say to me? म तिमीलाई भेटेर खुसी छु। I am glad to meet you. म तिमीलाई भेटेर खुसी छु। I am glad to meet you.